Hello friends, you are welcome to my YouTube channel MacPM. So this is our next video on the problem on trusses. So this is given, this is a truss and we have to find the forces in this member U3 U4 L3 U4 and U4 L4 by method of section. So to solve with the method of section, we have to draw a section or line through these three members. So we have drawn section 1 through these three members. Now to solve this, we have to divide this truss into two parts. First one is the right hand side of this truss and second one is left hand side of truss. You can consider any part, either left hand side or right hand side, and it will be in equilibrium, so you can find the forces. But first of all, let's find the reaction forces R1 and R2 in this truss. Okay, so let's see. If we take moment about LO as 0, then counterclockwise moments is equal to clockwise moments, means sum of all the moments will be 0. So we can write R2 into distance from LO of R2 is L6, LO to L6 is 36. Each member is 6 meter long, so there are 6 members, so it will be 36, and it is only upward force, so it will be equal to 100. This is 100 kilonewton. 100 into this is 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30 plus this 100 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 into 4, 24 plus 150 into 1, 2, 3, 18 plus 200 into 6, 6, 12 plus 200 into 6. Each member is 6 meter long. It is given here. 6 member 6 meter long is equal to 36 member. Okay, so if we find R2 from here, so R2 will become 1 by 36 into this is 3000 plus 2400 plus this will become 2700 plus this will become 2400 plus this will become 1200. So if you add all, then it will become 11700 divided by 36, so it will become 325 kilonewton. Okay, so some R2 is 325 kilonewton, so we have to find R1. So we can do sum of all the forces equal to vertical forces is equal to 0. So vertical forces are this R1, R2, and this forces are L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5, these 5 forces. So we can write a summation of all the vertical forces is equal to 0. So we can write R1 plus R2, these are only 2 upward forces, is equal to all downward forces, so it will become 200 plus 200 plus 150 plus 100 plus 100. Okay, so R2 is 325, so R1 plus 325 is 2 to 4, 4 to 6 and 750, it will become 750. So R1 will become 750 minus 325. So if you find it, then it will become 5 and 2 and 425. So we have found R1 is equal to 425 kilonewton and R2 is equal to 325 kilonewton. So we have found the reactions. Now let's divide this truss into two portions. So I will draw this right hand side only for solving this problem. So let's do this. So you can see that I have drawn this right portion of the truss, right side of this section 1 so I have drawn only this portion. So let's now find this value of theta 1, because to calculate moment and calculate horizontal vertical component, we have to find this angle theta 1 and this angle theta 2. This is force F u3 u4. F u3 u4 is the force in the member u3 u4, and F u4 L3 is along the force in member u4 L3, and F L3 L4 is force in member L3 L4. So what we have done, we have to find angle theta 1 theta 2. So let's find sin theta is equal to, so you can see sin theta is equal to this perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So hypotenuse we don't know, so this is 9 meter. You can see this is 9 meter, this total from here to here 9 meter, and this one is 8 meter. So this one is 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 meter. So first of all we will find length of u3 u4. So it will become root this square plus this square, perpendicular square plus base square. So it will become 1 square plus this is 6 meter, 6 square, so we will get root 37. Okay, so this is the value of u3 u4, length of u3 u4. So its value will become 6.0828 meter. Okay, so sin theta 1 will become perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so it will become 1 upon 6.0828, and cos theta 1 will become base upon hypotenuse, so it will become base is 6 upon 6.0828. okay, now we will find theta 2. So you can see that theta 2 is this length L3 u4. Length of L3 u4 is root base square plus perpendicular square. So base is 6 meters, so it will become 6 square plus this length is given as 8 meter, 8 square, so it will become 36 plus 64, so it is root 100. So L3 u4 will become 10 meter. Okay, so sin theta 2 will become 6 by 10 is equal to 3 by 5. Cos theta 2 will become this 8 by 10, so it will become 4 by 5. So this one is equal to 0.8 and this one is equal to 0.6. okay, now let's take moment about this point L3. So moment about L3 will become 0. So if we take moment about this L3, then F u3 u4 is passing through this point, so its vertical component will pass through L3, so its moment will be 0, but its horizontal component will pass through here. So we can its moment, what will be its horizontal component? This angle is theta. So F u3 u4 into cos theta 1 into distance from here is, it is given as 9 meter, so it will be 9 meter, and moment due to this will be in clockwise direction, and the other moments are plus 100 into, due to this force, 100 into 6, this distance is 6 meter, plus this 100 into this 6 plus 6 12 minus 325, this 325, it is opposite, it is counterclockwise, so 325 into 6 plus 6 plus 6 18 is equal to 0. So from here if you solve this, we have already found the value of cos theta 1, 6 upon 6.0828, and all these values you can calculate in the calculator. So if you will find F u3 u4 from here, then it will come as 456 point, Fu3 U4 will become 456.2072 kilonewton. Okay, now we can take moment about this point U4. Moment about U4 will be also 0, so we can write it as moment about u4 is equal to 0. So this force is passing through u4, so its movement will not come. This is also passing through u4, so only this force will come in picture. So F L3 L4 into this distance is 8 meter. This is counterclockwise, sorry, this is clockwise, and due to this force is passing through u4, so its movement will be 0. And L5, and force as L5 is 100 kilonewton into this distance is 6 meter minus 325 into 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 is equal to 0. So we will get F L3 L4 will become 412.5 kilonewton, and you can see that it is F L3 L4 is in this direction, so it will be here in this direction, in the opposite direction equal. So it is internal force, it is inward force, so it will be tension or tensile force. And in case of FU4 L3, sorry, U3 U4 we have found 456.207. so this force from here it is this in this direction, so from here it will be in this direction, so it is also inward force. So sorry, at joint U4 we have denoted it in this direction, so at joint U3 it will be in this direction, so it is outward force, so it will be compressive force. So it is compressive, this was is tensile, and at U4 we have denoted it in this direction, so at L3 it will be in this direction, so it is also inward force, so it is also compressive force. Okay, so we have to find value of FU4 L3. so we will do, so to get FU4 L3 we will do sum of all the horizontal forces equal to 0. So what are the horizontal forces? One force will be horizontal component of this FU4 L3, so FU4 L3, this is in this direction, so it will be horizontal component will come here and it will be sine theta 2, and one component of this force will come, it is FU3 U4 into cos theta 1 minus FU3 U4 into cos theta 1, and this force FL3 L4 is equal to 0. These two forces are in this direction, so we have taken this direction as positive and this direction as negative. So if we put the value of all the forces, then we will get FU4 U3 is equal to 62.5 kilonewton, because we have found already forces, we have found FU3 U4 and we have found FL4 L3, and if you want to calculate, then we can also calculate FU4 L3 is, see, it will go this side, so it will become positive. It is FU3 U4 is 456.2072 into cos theta 1 is 0.9864, and this will become minus, so minus 412.5 we have calculated it, divided by this sin theta 2, so sin theta 2 is 0.6. if you will calculate it, then it will become 62.5 kilonewton, and it will be in tension, because this is inward forces, so inward forces will be in tension. Okay, so we have calculated forces in all three members, in this one, in this one, and in this one. And if you don't understand any point, then please ask in the comment section, and if you like this video, then please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.